Good morning or good afternoon, everybody. My name is Iwas Tahib, and I am the head of research and development in Drazni Revize Limited company. Our company is located in the Czech Republic, in Ostrava. It's a northeast region of Czech Republic. And what we are doing is we are interested in the railways business mainly. Mainly, this means like railroad safety instructions, safety of the machines, planning of safety systems. It means including railways, light rails, heavy rails, fast speed trains, commuters, all the stuffs for that. We also do the customized solutions for railway safety systems. Of course, we're doing the updates of the old safety system to new generation using the computer-based one. And of course, we have another ways. It's application of new materials in sensing platforms means for the railways products, like dynamic weighting or the occupancy of trains or some derails of trains. And this is the stuff what we are working on. Then another portfolio, it's here to show some are examples. And it's left side is for the construction in Ostrava for the city light rails. Then on the right side bottom is the humping yard in Prague-Libeň. It's a new safety system using the computer-based, and on the left side is the inspection of the trains or engines for the trains. So the next are business portfolio is the green energy and the smart sensors and healthcare. So for the green energy, we're doing the same. We do design, installations, testing of solar panels, power stations, heat pumps, all the renewable energy materials and the resources. We are trying to do that for the houses, for the companies. Also, we're doing the battery storage systems and other storage systems. And of course, as I said, application for the green energy. Then the last part, we do the smart sensors, means orthopedic aids mainly, and the sensors which are used 3D printing together with the sensing parts. And we use also the latest area of our interest is the smart sensors based on functional materials, means like shape memory materials or piezo materials that can be used to transfer the one energy to another and use it as sensors. And what we have this some portfolio we are doing is right here. It's installation of the different solar panels we are using with the computer AI systems to optimize the consumption and usage of the systems. So what we are and what we are looking, we have some portfolio here, and this is some our references. It's Czech railways, usually Czech freighters. Backup is the freights, mostly it's the railways industry. Then we have the automotive companies and some producer, even from Taiwan, is Abeto International and Siemens from Austria. What we are interested in now for our technology, the latest one is the development of novel sensing platforms, which is combining the smart materials, piezo materials, with AI, means artificial intelligence software for evaluating the safety on the railways. So it's on the left side is something what we have shown. It's when the train is passing some areas, it will generate the changes on the track, and we can record these changes, which can go through the low signal processing to high signal processing for the computer interface. And after that, this computer interface sends the signal to the cloud or to the operating room where the system is automatically analyzed, and whether there is some abnormalities or occupation, it will be shown to the control room, and it will be make a warning, or it will send to the driver, or I mean the engineer of the train, to check if there is some danger on the road, and it will slow down the train. So there is in the middle is the sound where we have the shown means the already some testing part under the tracks. On the right side we have our own, it's a computer-based one, so we can change and test a lot of situations on the rails. We are now trying to do that. This is the automatic one, so it's a long distance transfer of data we are doing on the right hand side. And actually this technology, it's now in the state of the the real testing. It means it's already on the tracks and it's going to be tested in Czech Republic, and we are looking for somebody to help us to test it also in Taiwan and to move forward with this technology for the safety system, which has several advantages. Means it's first, it's very reasonable, the price is very good, it can use AI, can detect several different properties of trains, as we said, like train speed, level of vibration, track quality, and so on and so on. And here is the test number 2. It's the sensors, all these technologies on the left side. On the right side, we have some signal, how it looks like. And below is the idea how we are trying to send it. We also try to combine energy harvesting so the system can be autonomous without need for the energy from the inner source, but it can take from the outer source, so it can be self-powered systems. But this is not sure yet, but we will see whether it's possible or not. And for the second part, what we have the latest, this is the state of the visibility study, and now we are trying to start with this. It's using the 3D printing technology for the smart orthopedic aids. It means that we implement 3D printing materials, we implement sensor inside the 3D printing materials to design the smart orthopedic aids. So it's again combination of the smart sensors, 3D printing technology, and artificial intelligence for evaluation of the data. So we have different sensors, means the pressure, accelerometers, strain sensors, which detect the changes in the individual's movement, and then the physician or the doctor can really see what's happening with one when he's walking or when he's in the rehabilitation, so they can much better design their rehabilitation process. They can choose the better way to make their recovery to speed up, or for the sportsman, usually like in Czech Republic we have a soccer players, ice hockey player. It's very important because their rehabilitation can be speed up and everything can be much faster, helping them to return to their work easily. That's our idea what we are having here. It's on the left side how we choose the sensors using the laser lights. We put them again the similar idea, low signal processing in the data logger. From the data logger, we will send the data through the Bluetooth or 4G, 5G network to the servers where the data will be analyzed in a high-level AI. So the idea is we are again trying to find somebody who is interested in this collaboration in this kind of area of 3D printing smart material with embed sensors, or we want to also build the sensors based on this material 3D printing. I think pretty much that's what I wanted to say for our presentation. Thank you very much.